Class, our today's topic is mass and weight. So first we will discuss on mass. What is mass? Mass is a quantity of matter contained by any body. What is the meaning of that, class? Suppose I am taking the example of this lid or this pen. So if I am talking about this lid, in this time this lid is made by a specific material, that is plastic, but there is a specific amount of material is here and we call that matter. So the matter by which this lid is made up of, that is your mass. Now class, it's very important, the material contained by this lid, that is your mass. So how you measure the mass? So you measure the mass by the unit kilogram or gram, that is the unit of mass. One more thing which is very important, suppose the weight of this lid is suppose 10 gram. So now class, if I am asking you the weight of this lid 10 gram in earth, but if you take this lid to moon, then the same lid is there. It means the matter contained by the lid is same in moon because the whole lid is there. So it means your mass is not change if you change any place. It means if you change the place, your mass remain same. Your mass is only expressed by the magnitude. It means magnitude means where you use the number and unit, like 5 kg. So this is the magnitude of your body. So your mass is only defined by the number and the unit. Number and unit. By this you can measure the mass. There is no direction. There is no direction of mass. Mass has no direction. Clear? Only one thing which is very important, your mass remains same in all over the place. Class, your next topic is weight. So what is weight? The weight of a body is the force with which earth attracts the body. It means if I am talking about again this lid, so this lid is attracted by the earth. You all know the gravitational pull of the earth. So because of the gravitational pull of the earth, you feel a specific weight of any object. Understand? So class, it means your weight depends on the attraction power, or we can say the gravity of earth. If I am talking about weight of this, you all know, suppose this lid contain 10 gram mass. So what is the weight now? So class, for weight you have a formula m into g. M into g means mass into gravitational pull. So you all know the mass of the body 10 gram into the gravitational pull. So you have to remember this, g is always 10 Newton per kilogram. Remember this, the value of g is always 10 Newton per kilogram. So what is the meaning of that? The weight of the lead is equal to 10 gram into 10 Newton per kilogram. I can change that in kilogram also. 10 upon 1000 kilogram into 10 upon into 10 Newton upon kilogram. Kilogram to kilogram cancel, 0 0 0 0. So 0.1 Newton. So this is your weight. So your weight is 0.1 Newton. So class, it's very important. Our weight is actually the force, because you can see there is a Newton, and Newton is a unit of force. So if I am talking about this lid is attracted by the earth, that is a gravitational pull, and that is called the weight, which we can define by Newton, or we can say kilogram force. This is also the unit of weight. Now class, unit of weight, it's very important. You all know W is equal to m into g. So if I am talking about m is equal to 5 kg, so what is the meaning of that? W is equal to 5 kg and g is actually a force. So we can say our weight is 5 kilogram force. It means earth attracts this 5 kilogram mass by 5 kilogram force, because you all know if this is 5 kilogram and this is your force, so earth attracts this 5 kilogram by a specific force, and if you want to lift this object, then at that time you have to use 5 kilogram force, which is your weight. Now one more thing which we can understand, W is equal to 5, and if I am talking about G, that is G equal to 10 Newton, you all know G is equal to 10 Newton approximately. So the answer is 50 Newton. It means we can say 5 kilogram force or 50 Newton, both are same. Now class, it's very important, weight depends on gravitational force. It means if I am talking about earth and moon, so the gravitational pull of earth and the gravitational force of, or we can say gravitational pull of moon is different, because every planet has a different kind of gravitational force. So suppose if my weight is 60 kg in earth, what is the meaning of that? 60 kg weight in earth means the earth makes 60 kilogram force on my body. But if I am talking about moon class, the gravitational force of moon is 1/6 of earth. So what is the meaning of that? 1/6, if my weight is 60 in earth, then it is 1/6 part of 60 in moon. So 6 10 ja 60. So in moon the force, the gravitational force is 10 kilogram force. Understand? So there is a very big difference between mass and weight. Your mass is 60 kg here and your mass is 60 kg here. Mass remains same in both the places. But if I am talking about weight, your weight is 60 kg here, but your weight is 10 kilogram here. It means class, your mass remains same in each and every place, but your weight is different. Now class, difference between mass and weight. Your new topic is effects of change in place of mass and weight. I already told you how your mass and weight change according to the place. So you can see mass, it is the quantity of matter contained in the body. You all know it is the force with which the earth attracts the body. That is your weight. SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of weight is Newton, and another unit is kilogram force, where 1 kilogram force is equal to 10 Newton. I explained you. It is constant for body and it does not change by the changing place of the body. It means if you change the place, your mass remains same in all over the places. It is not the constant for a body but changes from place to place. It means if you take this matter pen from earth to moon, then definitely there is a change in the weight. The mass remains same, the body contains the same matter, but the weight of the body is changed. It is measured by the beam balance. Mass is measured by the beam balance, but It is measured by the spring balance, because class in spring balance the gravitational pull directly apply on the body and which can measure your weight.